Hi, don't you know how to turn on developer mode on your Samsung Android phone? Don't worry, in this video I will explain the steps for you to follow. Let's get started. First, go to your Samsung phone settings. Scroll to the bottom. Then open the About Phone menu. Next, select the Software Information option. Then just tap several times on the build number information. And you need to enter your phone's security code to continue. That way, now your developer mode has appeared at the bottom. If you want to turn it off, you just press the slider button next to it. And the developer mode menu will disappear or be hidden again. And that is how to turn on developer mode, especially on Samsung Android phones. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching.